Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I had a comment on my Teapot live stream from TLO Jewelry. They had been inspired by the ceramic teapot to do their own spin-off on the design and very kindly wrote out all the directions in the comments underneath the video. I am a visual learner and I did my best to follow the instructions, but in the end I'm pretty sure I simplified the design. So I'm going to show you how I made the design based on the instructions. I will post the instructions in the description of the video. If you guys want to give it a shot, let me know how you do. Thank you to TLO Jewelry for taking the time to write out the directions. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. I'm using 20 gauge bead-lawn German style wire and a 12mm ceramic bead. I used a 20mm glass bead for my sample. My tools are the Bead-Lawn Slimline Series chain nose and round nose pliers, their Glimmer Series nipper tool, their nylon jaw pliers, and their bail making pliers. I'm starting with 7 inches of 20 gauge German style wire, and in the center of the wire I am going to create a loop using the Bead-Lawn 6-step looping pliers. I'll go ahead and create a loop and then center it by bringing the ends straight down. Now I'm going to put both of those wires into the ceramic bead. Now I will hold the top with the round nose pliers so there's a little bit of space between the bead and the loop, and I will push the wires to either side going towards the top. Bring the one wire right around to the back, holding the pliers under the loop so we have a little bit of space there. And now we're going to hold the wire and bring it around a full turn around the loop and back to the side. From there we're going to do the spout. So bring the wire around so it becomes curved and then push it out again. Get the round nose pliers and form the spout, bringing the wire out. Now get the chain nose pliers and do a sharp bend back for the top of the spout and bend the wire down and curve it a little bit. Now we want to get the chain nose pliers in there and bring the wire straight up. Give it a little pinch. Make sure it's flat. And we can hold it with the nylon jaw pliers and push the wire around the top of the bead. Now we want to hold it firmly and bring the wire around the loop. You could clip it there or bring it to the front and clip the wire flush. Pinch in that little pokey end with the chain nose pliers and make sure the spout is flat. And now we're going to bring the other wire down and bend it up. This will be the handle. So curve it around with the largest part of the round nose pliers. That's the top of the handle. Rotate it down. The wire will be going down at an angle, and we'll clip it to about 1/2 inch below the teapot with the flush cutters. Now take the round nose pliers and turn the end into a closed loop, and we will bring the wire in to make a spiral. So holding it with the tip of the round nose pliers, little teeny tiny bends to bring the wire up into the spiral. Go slowly with it. Make a little delicate spiral, pinch it with the flat pliers, bring the handle in so it touches the bead. Do any little adjustments that you need to make it even. You can use the nylon jaw pliers to press the wire in place And that's your tiny little teapot. Now to make the earring hooks, I'm going to use 1 3/4 inches of 20 gauge or 21 gauge half-hard argentium wire. And I'm doing both hooks at once. I have other tutorials for the earring hooks. Bend the ends slightly, separate them, and use the burr tool just to soften the end, or you can use a file. And now we're going to open them up, put on that teapot, and there are your super cute teapot earrings made with the ceramic beads. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share pictures of your wire art and wire jewelry. Hop over to the Wire Lady TV channel every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas for wire art and jewelry, and I welcome your ideas and special requests. Also, you can find my new kits and surprise packs in my Etsy DIY shop. There's also templates, tutorials, and ebooks. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.